this video, we are going to see how we can add the discount field in the sales invoices. And also we will see and explore different type of discounts that can be applied to sales invoice. Either it can be a cash discount or a trade discount, which is a percentage discount. So let's say that you are selling a wireless mouse and it's on sale and you're offering at 10% discount. So the percentage discount or trade discount is what you offer at the moment to your customer for all the sales items, and it reduces the overall sales amount directly. It's not charged as an expense. But the other discount can be, let's say the total amount is 280 and the customer is asking you for further discount or cash discount while paying, and he just asked or requested you to just round it down to a certain amount. So you just give $20 more discount, but that you have decided just at the moment, and you have reduced the amount even further. So that can be cash discount, which is charged as indirect expenses. So how we deal with both of them? Let's see. First of all, when we click on vouchers and sales invoice, as we can see here that there is quantity, there is rate, but there is no column like discount. So we need to enable that. I'll just go to the company from the top, and from here just click on features, and here it says use discount column in invoices. I'll just change this one to yes and press Ctrl A. And now we have the discount field right here. Just go to the vouchers again and just choose any customer. Let's say Daniel. I'll just choose that. And price list is not applicable. Sales ledger is already made, and the configuration is pretty simple. If you are creating it for the first time, just alternate C to create, name it as sales, goes under sales account. That's it. Ctrl A. And now let's say that we are selling Logitech wireless mouse. Tracking number, order number is not applicable. It's from the main location. Quantity is 10. Rate is 26. This makes the total to 260. But since we are offering 10% discount to our customers, the overall amount will be reduced to 234 and end of list. As you can see here, now it's applicable, but the customer has requested us to round down it to 200. So how will we enter this as further discount? How will we enter this cash discount? Let's see. So press enter to go on the very next line. But on the very next line, if we try to enter some ledger, it's directly allowing us to only enter the list of stocks. So give one more gap, hit enter again. And now we can write cash discount here. But since it's not there, we need to create a new ledger, alternate C, and name it as cash discount. It goes under indirect expenses. Type of ledger not applicable, Ctrl A. And now we can just directly manually enter minus 34. And you can notice down here that overall invoice is reduced to 200, and Ctrl A to save. And that's how we apply the trade discounts and cash discounts both in Teleprime. Just try this by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.